Hello again and welcome to Word Problems questions 8. So in this question we have two glasses with identical capacities and they both contain a mixture of orange juice and lemonade in the ratio 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Now the contents of both glasses are poured into a bigger glass and we have to calculate the new ratio of orange juice to lemonade. Now let's say that each glass can hold 150 millilitres, but why do we pick 150? Well, the ratio of the first glass is 1 to 2, so there are 3 parts in that glass, and the ratio of the second glass is 2 to 3, so there are 5 parts in that glass. So I basically am just choosing a number that's divisible by 3 and by 5, just to make my calculations easier. So in the first glass, with a ratio of 1 to 2, there are 3 parts, and 150 divided by 3 is 50, so each part is 50 millilitres. So there's going to be 1 part of orange juice, 50 millilitres, and 2 parts of lemonade, which is 100 millilitres. Now the ratio of the second glass is 2 to 3, so there are 5 parts, and 150 divided by 5 gives us 30 millilitres. So the orange juice is 2 parts, and 2 times 30 is 60 millilitres, and the lemonade is 3 parts, which is 3 times 30, so it's 90 millilitres. Now when we add the two glasses together, we have to add the volume of orange juice and lemonade together. So for orange juice, we have 110 millilitres because it's 50 plus 60. And for lemonade, we have 190 millilitres because it's 100 plus 90. So the new ratio of orange juice to lemonade is 110 over 190. And if we reduce that down, it's 11 to 19. Now at first glance, the second question looks almost identical, but there's one very important difference, and that is that the capacities of the glasses are different. They are in the ratio 5 to 3. Now the ratio 5 to 3 means there are 8 parts, so this time I want to pick the capacity for one of the glasses that's divisible by 3, 5 and 8. Therefore, let's say that the total capacity of the big glass is 2,400 millilitres. This means that the capacity of the small glass is going to be 2,400 divided by 5, because the big glass is 5 parts, times by 3, because the small glass is 3 parts. And that gives 1,440 millilitres. So if we start by calculating the contents of the big glass, that has a ratio of 1 to 2, and the volume is 2,400 millilitres. Now, as this is split into 3 parts, that means that each part is going to be 800 millilitres. So the orange juice, 1 part is 800 millilitres, and the lemonade, 2 parts, is equal to 1,600 millilitres. Now the second glass has a ratio of 2 to 3 and a capacity of 1,440 millilitres. Now as this is split into 5 parts, each part is going to be 288 millilitres, which is 1,440 divided by 5. So the orange juice is equal to 576 millilitres, which is 2 times 288, and the lemonade is equal to 864 millilitres, which is 3 times 288. Now after mixing the contents of both glasses, we have to add the volumes together. So the orange juice is now 1,376 millilitres, and the lemonade is 2,464 millilitres. So the new ratio of orange juice to lemonade is 1,376 divided by 2,464. So if we reduce that down as far as we can go, we get to 43 to 77. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little brain teaser today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you soon.